Hello and welcome for the love of food. Today we're going to be making some cocktails. This cocktail that I'm going to make is called the Clover Club. And I'm going to talk to you about the ingredients. Most importantly, it takes this raspberry syrup that I made homemade, and we'll put the link to the video in there so that you can make this as well. I used my sous vide and some fresh raspberries. So if I hold it up really close, you'll see it's got a beautiful color to it. And hopefully that's going to make our drink just as pretty and delicious as well. Now, it's called a Clover Club, and it's made with gin. I'm using my favorite brand of gin, which we won't disclose, but if you've seen this bottle and you like gin, you'll know what this is. It's also made with a little bit of vermouth, white, dry vermouth. Lots of lemon juice from a fresh lemon. So we're going to be squeezing almost an entire lemon into the drink. And lastly, it's an egg white drink. So I'm making two. One with these little free foam kind of egg white substitute. It's not really egg, but it will make a foam effect on top of your drink. And then I have separated some egg white to try it and see how that works as well. So we're going to get started here. I'm going to show you all the ingredients one more time when you're not looking at me. And then we'll take you all the way through and take a little sip of this drink and see how delicious it really is. All right, so I've got all my ingredients laid out here. First things first, we've got some ice in the shaker. And we filled our glasses with ice, and we're going to put some water in those so that they can chill up nicely. So that's 1.5 ounces for each drink. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our vermouth. We're going to need about 1/2 of vermouth. And we're going to need about 1/2 of that raspberry. And oh, as soon as I opened up that raspberry, I can smell it. It smells so good. Now, what we're also going to need is we're going to need some lemon juice in there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut that lemon. We'll pull some of the seeds out. And I'm not measuring for the video today, but I know how much I need in there. But we're going to put a whole lot of lemon juice. Always use fresh if you can. Try to get all of that in there. All right. This is pretty simple, right? Now let's go ahead and we're going to shake it first. All right. Well, that's to get it cold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add in, we're going to start with, we're going to try the non-egg white foam, see if that'll work. And I'm going to measure a little bit here. We're going to shake again. It looks so pretty. It does have a little foam on the top. Just the lemon peel, put it in the cocktail. Now we can try it. Can I tell you, it's tart from the lemon, but sweet from the raspberry, and a little bit dry from the gin and vermouth. Clover Club cocktail, it's a winner. We're going to try the Clover Club cocktail with real egg white. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, now let's go ahead and get those egg whites added in. Oh, that looks beautiful too. That one also looks pretty. Let's go ahead and squeeze our lemon peel. Rim our glass. With the oils from that lemon peel. And drop this one in. And let's give it a taste, shall we? Oh, this one's beautiful. All right, so out of the two, the one with the egg white and the one with the foam, I actually prefer the one with the egg white. And look, the color is just ever so slightly different. You could have some ladies get together and everybody have a pretty pink drink and something that's not a cosmopolitan. Not knocking a Cosmo. I like a Cosmo like anybody else, but this is something different. All right, thanks for watching the Clover Club cocktail for the love of food.